Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not be established a secure connection to server. So guys, when you try to open a page on Safari or a website and you are facing a problem like this, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, you have to just simply tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that you are using the strong internet connection, and after that go back and tap on VPN and make sure that there is not connected any VPN. If there is connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect it, and after that again go back and scroll it below, and here tap on apps, and from here guys locate for the Safari. So guys, here it is, so simply tap on it, and from here guys scroll it below, and here you will see clear history and website data. So guys, simply close all tabs and clear history. Now after that guys, simply tap on advanced and tap on website data and clear all website data from here. So guys, after doing this, then you have to just simply tap on feature flag, and from here guys you have to just simply reset all to defaults. So guys, after trying all of this step, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.